In the ever-evolving landscape of agricultural machinery, tractors stand as pivotal tools for both small-scale farmers and large agricultural enterprises. The decision to invest in a tractor is significant, impacting efficiency, productivity, and financial stability. Recognizing the importance of this decision, our analysis delves into the realm of tractor selection, specifically focusing on models that may not align with the best interests of potential buyers. Purpose and context of the analysis. Our primary goal is to offer a comprehensive evaluation of certain tractor models that, for various reasons, could be considered less favorable purchases in the current market. This analysis is not just a critique, but a guided exploration intended to empower buyers with information and insights that could influence their purchasing decisions. By shedding light on the shortcomings of these models, we aim to help prospective buyers make informed choices, avoiding potential pitfalls associated with these specific tractors. Criteria for evaluating tractor. To ensure a fair and thorough assessment, our evaluation is grounded in several key criteria: performance and reliability. We examine the operational efficiency, durability, and reliability of each tractor model. This includes an analysis of common mechanical issues, maintenance challenges, and overall longevity, manufacturer support, and customer service. The level of support provided by the manufacturer, including warranty services, responsiveness to customer issues, and availability of parts, plays a crucial role in our evaluation. User feedback and market reputation. We consider real-world experiences and feedback from current users, which offer invaluable insights into the practical aspects of owning and operating these tractors. Cost effectiveness. This involves analyzing the overall value for money, including initial purchase cost, long-term maintenance expenses, and resale value. Suitability for intended use. Different tractors are designed for varied purposes. We assess how well each model meets the specific needs of its target market, whether for small-scale farming, landscaping, or large-scale agricultural operations. Worst Tractor 1, Kubota B33 Faro. The Kubota B33 Faro has emerged as a problematic tractor model, primarily due to its significant regeneration issues. These problems have notably impaired the tractor's efficiency and reliability, especially in colder climates like Michigan, Ohio, Wisconsin, and Minnesota, limiting its geographical suitability. The model's performance is further compromised by frequent and prolonged downtimes, leading to operational inefficiencies and widespread user dissatisfaction. This dissatisfaction is evident in the numerous complaints and discussions across online forums. The response from Kubota has been underwhelming, with reports of inadequate support to address these issues. The severity of these problems has even led to threats of class action lawsuits against the manufacturer, undermining confidence in the B33. As a response, Kubota introduced the LX310, aiming to replace the B3350 and hopefully rectify the predecessor's flaws. However, given the extent of the issues with the B3350, potential buyers are advised to approach this model with caution and consider other, more reliable options. Analysis of the worst tractor 2. John Deere 2320 and 2305. John Deere 2320 and 2305 models have been identified as problematic in the tractor market, primarily due to issues related to their drive shafts. A critical concern is the lack of maintenance guidance provided in the manual, particularly regarding the need to grease the U-joint near the transaxle. This oversight has led to several cases of mechanical failures, often resulting in costly repairs. The problem is compounded by the fact that the U-joint is located in a hard-to-reach area, making routine maintenance challenging. Personal experiences shared by users, including catastrophic failures leading to significant hydraulic fluid leaks and immobilized tractors, highlight the severity of these issues. One notable incident involved a tractor stopping abruptly during operation, leading to a loud noise and hydraulic fluid gushing out, indicating a catastrophic internal failure. These tractors often face failures outside of the warranty period, resulting in expensive repairs that can exceed thousands of dollars. The issue is particularly acute given that these failures can occur even in tractors with relatively low operating hours. This design flaw in the John Deere 2320 and 2305 models, especially considering the high costs of repair and the potential for sudden operational failures, places them among the less recommended tractors in the market. Potential buyers should be aware of these risks and consider alternative models with a more reliable track record. Evaluation of the worst tractor. 3. Kubota BX Series. The Kubota BX Series, including the BX25, though popular in certain markets, exhibits several shortcomings compared to competitors in the subcompact tractor segment. One critical limitation is its lower capacity, especially when compared to models like the John Deere 1025R. This manifests in its limited carrying and lifting capabilities, which are crucial for typical tractor tasks. Furthermore, the BX series lacks a standard drive-over mower deck. While this feature is increasingly common and valued for its convenience, Kubota's alternative is seen as unrefined and clunky, affecting the user experience negatively. The tractor's quick park loader system, despite being operable from the seat, has a complex and seemingly fragile arrangement of rods, brackets, and fittings, raising concerns about durability and ease of use. Regarding price, the BX series, including the BX25, is viewed as not offering sufficient value for its cost, given the performance and feature discrepancies compared to alternatives like the 1025R. While the BX series has strengths like reliability and a strong dealer network, these are overshadowed by functional limitations and design choices impacting performance and user satisfaction. Expanding on the BX25 specifically, its subcompact design, while maneuverable in tight spaces, may lack the robustness and versatility needed for more demanding agricultural or construction tasks. Its suitability for heavy lifting on construction sites is limited. With a lifting capacity of only 500 pounds, it may not be adequate for heavy-duty construction work. The safety features, such as the rollover protection structure, ROPS, and seatbelt, are standard, but there may be concerns about their effectiveness in more rigorous working conditions. The BX25's compatibility with various implements, like a post-hole digger or rotary tiller, is a positive aspect. But the tractor's overall performance may be limited when handling more demanding tasks typically associated with these implements. Additionally, while known for fuel efficiency, under heavy load or intensive usage, fuel consumption may become a concern, potentially impacting long-term operational costs. Lastly, although Kubota offers extended warranty packages, the necessity of such warranties might be seen as an indication of potential reliability issues, especially in the context of the concerns raised about the BX series design and functionality. Insights on the worst tractor. 4. John Deere 3E series. The John Deere 3E series, encompassing models like the 3025E, 3032E, and 3038E, has been subject to criticism despite several updates and redesigns over the years. One of the primary concerns with this series is its comparative lack of robustness and lower loader capacity, especially when stacked against the 2R and 3R series from the same manufacturer. The weight of the 3E models is surprisingly less than that of the 2R series, a factor that can affect stability and efficiency in certain tasks. Further, the 3E series originally lacked the capability to accommodate a backhoe, a significant limitation for a tractor in its class. While this issue was addressed in the 2018 redesign, it reflects a fundamental design oversight in earlier models. Additionally, The series features a 2-range hydro transmission, which is less versatile compared to the options available in other John Deere series, potentially limiting its appeal for a range of tasks. The 3E series, intended as an entry-level, budget-friendly option, does have its merits, particularly for those seeking a basic utility tractor. However, its shortcomings become apparent when compared to its supposedly lower-end counterpart, the 2R series, and the more advanced 3R series. These comparisons reveal inconsistencies in performance, capacity, and features that are hard to overlook for potential buyers seeking versatility and robustness. While the 3E series remains popular and serves well in specific contexts, its positioning within the John Deere lineup and the broader tractor market is somewhat ambiguous. Buyers considering the 3E series should carefully evaluate these points and consider how the tractor's capabilities align with their specific needs, particularly if their usage demands more than what an entry-level model can offer. The worst tractor 5. But before we reveal that first, let's discuss importance of choosing the right tractor. Selecting the right tractor is a critical decision for anyone in the field of agriculture, landscaping, or property management. The choice of a tractor can have far-reaching implications, influencing productivity, efficiency, and overall operational success. Choosing a suboptimal tractor model can lead to reduced efficiency and productivity, as a tractor not well suited to specific tasks or conditions can significantly hinder work efficiency. This inefficiency can lead to longer working hours, delayed projects, and increased operational costs. Moreover, tractors that are prone to mechanical issues or are not built to withstand certain working conditions can result in frequent breakdowns. This not only leads to higher maintenance and repair costs, but also downtime, impacting overall productivity. Additionally, using a tractor that has design flaws or reliability issues can pose significant safety risks to the operator and others in the vicinity. It's crucial to choose models known for their safety features and robust build quality. The resale value and longevity of a tractor are also important considerations. A tractor that is notorious for problems or is from a less reputable brand may have a lower resale value. Additionally, a suboptimal choice may not provide the longevity and durability needed for long-term use. This is compounded by the fact that operating a tractor that constantly faces issues can be frustrating and demoralizing, affecting the operator's morale and their overall satisfaction with their work. For potential buyers, it is essential to assess their specific needs, including the type of work, the terrain, and the size of the property they will be working on. Conducting thorough research, reading reviews, and gathering feedback from existing users are crucial steps in making an informed decision. Opting for a tractor from a reputable brand with strong dealer support can ensure access to quality service and parts. Test drives and demonstrations are also valuable as they provide hands-on experience with the tractor's performance and suitability. Lastly, budget considerations are key. Balancing the initial cost of the tractor with its expected operational life and maintenance costs is crucial. Often, investing in a more reliable model can save on long-term costs. So in our analysis of less desirable tractor models, it's important to note that we have not identified a specific fifth model due to the limited information provided in the original transcript. However, for the sake of comprehensive coverage, we can discuss general factors that often contribute to a tractor being considered suboptimal in the market. These factors are typically drawn from common issues observed in various models and can serve as a guideline for what to avoid when selecting a tractor. The expectations users have for their tractors based on their specific requirements and past experiences with different machinery can lead to biased views. What is considered a drawback for one might be inconsequential to another. So, we hope this guide might help you a lot. If this is the case, then hit that subscribe button for more logical explanations, so you will never make any mistake.